No one is more hated than the man who tells the truth, because truth is a violent thing. It tears away illusions, destroys fragile egos, and demands the death of false comfort. Most people live in the cave, not because they're trapped, but because they choose to. They fear the light more than the chains. To be awakened is not bliss, it's burden. The philosopher who sees the world as it truly is must carry that knowledge alone, while those around him mock him for questioning shadows. Real wisdom isn't welcomed, it's resisted, feared, and often silenced. But to live in ignorance is to die before death. To pursue truth, even when it isolates you, even when it costs you everything. That is the path of the mind that refuses to kneel to illusion. Plato.